wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best camera cranes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, ideal for videographers who prefer to work with lightweight digital cameras. The Kessler kc-lite 8.0 can attach to your primary tripod head without much effort. It uses the head's pan and tilt mechanisms to deliver the movement of the shot. It rotates 360 degrees and is made with tough aluminum. However, it could offer better balance. At number 9, constructed with resilient aluminum alloy, the neewer pan will hold up just fine if you encounter some inclement weather while you're filming a scene outside or capturing footage at an outdoor wedding. It features a screw hole for mounting accessories too. This one comes with counterweights and extends quickly and easily, but it lacks smoothness in some movements. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While we wouldn't recommend it for use with heavy cameras, the ephotoinc EA500A is a nifty option that will make your footage look more nuanced and professional. It comes with bubble levels and collapses for simple transport. The included carrying case has ample padding and is very affordable for its performance. However, it may wobble when fully extended. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Proam USA Orion extends to 8 feet with an intuitive weighting system that keeps it balanced during shoots. It can accept an additional 4-foot extension if your project requires a little extra length to be done properly. No tools are necessary for assembly, and it's made in the United States, but the paint may chip over time. Moving up our list to number 6. Weighing in at less than 6 pounds, the Kessler Pocket Jib places portability above all other considerations. As a result, it's not the most versatile system on the market, but it's well built and super useful for traveling videographers. It collapses to a compact size and offers a smooth pan mechanism. Setup is speedy and simple. Halfway up our list at number 5. While it isn't common to see models in this price range with the ability to support anything over 10 pounds, the Indy Jib Cinema can accommodate cameras weighing up to 15 pounds with aplomb. Even more impressive, the crane itself weighs only 6 pounds. It keeps your camera reliably level and comes with a tough powder-coated finish and a handle with a dependable rubber grip. At number 4, it only takes a few minutes to convert the advanced digital jib from 8 feet to 12 feet in length and back again, giving you plenty of flexibility to adapt your filming strategy on the fly. Unlike some models, it allows you to capture shots pointing straight down. Its sturdy steel frame doesn't flex and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It can also double as a mic boom. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It can be difficult to execute a good crane shot, so it's nice that the Proam USA Jib Kit comes with a 7-inch HDMI monitor that mounts directly to the structure. Its fluid operation and the professional-looking footage that results will delight cinematographers. It includes a 10-inch HDMI cable and quickly breaks down for transport. It's got a scratch-resistant coating. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the fotodiox DV Rocker seamlessly blends strength with balance, resulting in a high-value filming tool that everyone from freelancers to expert movie makers will appreciate. It comes with counterweights and a 2-year warranty. It features a sleek black finish and a built-in bubble level. It won't bend or wobble. And coming in at number 1 on our list. We wouldn't say it's omniscient, but the proam alphabet sure has anticipated most of the typical filmmaker's needs. It comes with a hefty collapsible tripod stand and a spreader that's sturdy enough to support this sizable crane, even when it's fully loaded. It extends up to 21 feet and includes a heavy-duty storage bag. It's got a load capacity of 33 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video.